What is up? Jumped on a flight, we've left home, which is Patong, Phuket. Now we're in Pattaya. We came here because it's the last 4 days of Songkran here. He goes for 2 days in Phuket, which we actually messed up the dates. We thought it was 3 days there. It's actually 2 days there and started a day earlier than what we planned. But there is 4 days left here. We've just checked into our apartment. It's super awesome, and I'll take you for a look around in 2 secs. We're on the 41st floor, so as you can imagine the views is pretty magic here. So take a look at this. Pretty epic, right? Let's go check out the rest of the apartment. It's not a massive apartment because it is pretty new, and as you can imagine with all new places the rooms are quite small compared to the old places that you stay at, which the rooms are huge, like the Thai house that we just had back home in Patong. But brand new, 41st floor, you definitely can't complain. It's awesome. Let's check the rest of it out.